I want Christmas to feel like Christmas when we're in our RV. But the space is so small, it's hard to have those normal Christmas traditions that we enjoy at home. So I've come up with a list of 10 ideas to have a downsized Christmas that allows us to enjoy all the five senses while we're in our small space in our rig for the holiday. Number one, make a Christmas playlist. That engages your sense of hearing. Music is one of the easiest ways to set a mood. You know my family cannot agree on music to play when we're sitting around a campfire on a regular camp trip, but we can agree on what music to play for Christmas. I recommend a mix of classic and contemporary tunes to keep the playlist interesting. Number two, decorate inside your rig. That engages your sense of sight. Bling, lights, and big splashes of Christmas color turn a regular RV into a Christmas castle. Use lightweight decorations that can be hung on walls. I get really cranky every time I need to move a decorative item just to do normal living tasks, like making dinner or doing dishes, so I like to keep my countertops clear. Number three, infuse Christmas aromas. That engages your sense of smell. You don't have to bake Christmas cookies just to get the Christmas smell inside your rig, but it wouldn't make you a bad person if you did. Scents can drift through the air just by lighting a candle or putting some essential oils into something like potpourri or a diffuser. You can do wax melts. You can do just air freshener sprays that have the sense of Christmas. It's easy to get a Christmas smell throughout your rig, but there's a downside to that. You can't get away from the smell. So get one smell, stick with it, and know that it is going to waft through the air of your entire RV. I like traditional baking scents. Things like cinnamon, clove, nutmeg, vanilla, those are my favorites. You also might want to try outdoor types of scents, things like pine, fir, and cedar. Fruity scents are also really good for the holiday. Try things like cranberry, orange, apple. Nothing smells better than apple pie baking in the oven at Christmas time, right? Number four is enjoy your favorite foods. That engages your sense of taste. Do you eat or drink particular things every Christmas? Make sure you keep doing that. You may need to reduce the sizes and the portions of those items in order to fit in your RV refrigerator or in your RV oven. For our Christmas dinner, we like to have spiral sliced ham, au gratin potatoes, and 7-layer salad. Then the day after, we use the ham bone and the leftover ham to make pea soup. Our RV fridge, freezer, and oven can handle this menu, but we do reduce the sizes of the recipes that we're making so that we don't have a whole bunch of leftovers. For our family, eggnog is another one of those must-have items around the holiday. We love topping that with fresh nutmeg. Number five, indulge yourself in cozy, warm beverages. That actually engages quite a few of your senses: taste, touch, smell. Warm holiday drinks like hot chocolate, mulled wine, and hot cider engage your sense of touch on many different levels. Holding a warm cup and sipping a warm beverage makes you actually feel the holiday inside and out. It's even better when you wrap yourself in a warm blanket and wear your favorite slippers. I love keeping a simmering pot of cider on the stove. I add a couple sticks of cinnamon and maybe a couple of cloves. It is a really great aroma that wafts through the trailer, and then you can have a nice, warm, sweet beverage anytime you want. Just pour some into a mug. Number six, watch Christmas movies. Have cozy movie nights. Wrap up in a warm blanket, have some festive snacks, and if your rig has a fireplace, get it roaring. Personally, our two favorite movies are Christmas Vacation and Christmas Story. We can't get enough of Cousin Eddie's RV or Mr. Parker's Leg Lamp. More great classic choices include It's a Wonderful Life, Miracle on 34th Street, A Christmas Carol, and White Christmas. If I missed any that you really enjoy, let me know. I'm always looking forward to expanding our movie collection. Number 7, do a small gift exchange. But set a theme and make it like a meaningful small gift exchange. Experience gifts are a great idea here because all you need to do is put some tickets or a certificate in an envelope. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Who wouldn't love tickets to things like sporting events or escape room adventures? Maybe things like classes, art classes, cooking classes. How about some other kinds of shows like magic shows or maybe even rides like a hot air balloon ride? Those make really fun experience gifts. And they're super small to put in an envelope. Personally, I love escape rooms. We haven't done one in a while. We really need to change that. Hint, hint. Number 8, create a holiday scrapbook or video. Document your small space traditions with photos and keepsakes. Pete is really great about pulling out his phone and capturing a quick photo or a video. In the moment, I really find it annoying, but later I'm always appreciative that he did it. Number 9, create a holiday countdown. Make a small advent calendar to count down to December 25th to celebrate the birth of Jesus. Number 10, read the Christmas story. Celebrate the reason for the season by reading these 5 Bible passages you'll find in the book of Luke. They're all in chapter 2. Verses 1 through 3. Caesar Augustus decrees a census be taken of the entire Roman world. Verses 4 through 7. Jesus is born in Bethlehem. Verses 8 through 12. An angel of the Lord spreads the good news to the shepherds. Verses 13 through 15. The shepherds decide to go to Bethlehem to see things for themselves. Verses 16 through 20, they saw Jesus laying in the manger just as the angel had said. Then they left, told others what happened, and then they returned. They were praising and glorifying God for all the things that they had heard and seen, just as the angel had said. If you have special traditions that you enjoy inside your RV, let me know in the comments. I'd love to expand my list. I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can see all the videos in the playlist of Vlogmas 2024. See you tomorrow.